Cooper here at SharpTruck.com, today unboxing the new Lake Country UDOS 31e polisher. Upon opening this polisher, you will find a khaki foam 6-inch polishing pad that fits the 5-inch backing plate on this new polisher. Pulling out the polisher itself, you'll notice it has that iconic Lake Country blue. Now UDOS stands for User Defined Orbital Stroke, where the detailer can choose between the 8mm and 15mm dual action random orbits, as well as the rotary option. This is where the 31E gets signified, where it is a 3-in-1 functionality, while the E indicates the electric corded power source. The cord on this polisher is 13 feet long. This polisher is only 6.9 pounds and features more comfortable handling and control over long periods. Looking at the features on this polisher, you'll see the speed selector dial, which gives you easy access from either side with grips for each setting. This polisher also features a wide comfort trigger, which reduces finger stress. The blue button above the comfort trigger is the dual-sided trigger lock, which is convenient for left and right-handed users. Now to change the function of this polisher, you're just going to press on this blue button towards the top grip and pull down on this blue ring and spin it. You'll see that the 8mm, 15mm, and R for rotary are acknowledged on the side. This polisher features the most powerful 14-amp AC motor on the market today, enabling you to become more efficient than ever before. Another amazing feature on this polisher is the cooling NACA duct technology, which reduces the pad surface temperature to improve tool and compound effectiveness and efficiency. This polisher does accept a 6-inch or 5-inch backing plate. Lake Country's UDO pads are preferred for the 31E polisher. The polisher and pads are designed right here in Wisconsin, USA. And you can find this product online at SharpTruck.com.